A beer badness.
Tomawok production. Suit the world. Original dancehall style. Original dancehall style. But now something's on the side. But now someone of a child, they gotta stop it running wild, you know. For them to reggae music, it's so authentic. We play the live drum and I listen the acoustic. Come play some Riddim and some Marcia Griffiths. But Marley say accuse him while him light him split. And the only thing we easy man get in my head lip. But Peter touch like Chalice in a Buckingham Palace. We hold a meditation and preach righteousness. So tell the liquor youth them take out the slackness. Man have to fight this level to get some more justice. But that's how we play, you know them have to rock this. But strictly reggae music like a crisp biscuit. But I'm off into a catapulta lyrics for your spit. But that's how we chat, you know, a liquor them a sip. And enough of them a watch them, all the rest of them a prep. Ride it like a racehorse, man, I left me whip. But I'm off into a cat with some conscious lyrics. As we ram down to London, we ram down to Jam One, and we have the original sound. We ram down to New York, we ram down to Boston, the people them love how we sound. As we ram down to Scotland, we ram down to Finland, and we wear the dancehall crown. We ram down to New York, we nice up Canadian, the people them give we the chow. And I ram dancehall from them idea them name. So all who gone, me say them gone already. But all who they you better sit down steady. Me tell you about the doctor where them call her Libby. Ranking Trevor and the great Nicky, the late great Tennessee and Nitty-Gritty. I tell you Sugar Minott and my friend Gregory. Not to mention Dennis Brown and Jimmy Riley. Big up the man when name Bob Marley. And them man they set foundation for we. Big up Ninja Man and Super Cat the Apache. Big up Josie and all Terry Ganzi. Quenchel Youth and Green and Robert Levy. Baby Demas Juna, Demas and the one so
smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting.
No bushy not chillum, a smoking on me lungs. So we board on the table or the country make it bun. Me start a back and sit down like I say me sippy rum. Tomawok him stretchy man and I say Supu give me some. If a sativa or the purple or the ivory bring it come. Smoke it in your bang or you slim it down. Rasta man with the telephone a beat it get a drum. Bun with me whole a vibe when studio time come.
Keep smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Me bun it up, the ganja me a bun it up. I straight sense me in your ear, my brain and me a bun it up. Me bun it up, 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 bun it up. Straight ganja in my brain and me a bun it up. Me bun it up in night, set the high there unattainable. I float well like a Peter Pan, it's magic and unexplainable. Him say fi pass the chalice, got the bang that looks so dreadable. Him head step on a plane level, matches to the big split bed. Make fire burn bacteria. Dirty yard, them a germs, them inferior. Ton load the weed, them and them want no one, no Kenya. Kick with them foot like Premier League and Syria. Keep smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Keep smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Smoking, floating, I agreed me promoting. Yo, you see the weed man a come. Inna the party, ganja we a bun. See the police man all him want some. We roll it in a Rizla, more time in a chillum. The weed man a come. I strictly marijuana, they inna me lungs. That's why me hold the vibes and the right just to sit down. The high grade inna me head, just a beat like a drum. Keep smoking.
My answer for you, yes I got a ganja for you, ganja for you. Yes, Giddiman smoke the best smoke the best. Me have came dark straight from Amsterdam, boy. Boy. Me have OG Kush from Westmoreland, boy. Boy. You can smell the sweet aroma, boy. Boy. Strong head man come from California, boy. Boy. Oh, I got ganja for you, yes. Ganja for you, my answer for you. Yes, I got ganja for you,
appelle ces testeurs de qualité. Critères, variété, séchage, quantité, THC, on veut tous la même finalité. Chacun prend son sac, sa valise, son panier, quelques chances de perdre, beaucoup de beaucoup gagner. Dans toutes les villes, les campagnes, les cités, on a tous un peu les mêmes nécessités. Y'a ceux qui poussent, y'a ceux qui font pousser, chacun sa place dans la chaîne du smuggling. Oui, c'est comme ça se passe par ici. Bienvenue, bienvenue à Ganja City. C'est comme ça aussi, ça se passe par chez toi, man, des Ganja City, y'en a des tas. Hey. Bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bida oi oi bidi bam bam bidi hey. Bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bida oi oi bidi bam bam bidi hey. Bidi bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi hey. Bidi 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 bam bam bidi bam bam bidi hey. Cannabis cup, tant qu'il y a du stock, soit c'est les keufs, soit le push à qui dit stop. Y'a ce qu'il faut, y'a des kilos, y'a des minots qui jouent à ces pequeños. RAS, ça roule à toutes les adresses jusqu'à ce qu'il n'y en ait plus évidemment. RAS, on goûte la nouvelle espèce, quand y en a plus, on n'a plus de calmant. La ville s'arrête, se rabat sur des barrettes, c'est pas Rabat ni Shawen, c'est pas la crème. Tout le monde attend plus ou moins patiemment. Des fois courir partout ne vaut pas la peine. Oui c'est comme ça se passe par ici. Bienvenue, bienvenue à Ganja City. C'est comme ça aussi, ça se passe par chez toi, man, des Ganja City, y'en a des tas. Hey. Bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bida oi oi bidi bam bam bidi hey hey. Bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bidi bam bam bida oi oi bidi bam bam bidi hey.
A beer badness.